All right, we fresh out the oven. So, you can hear me now. That's great. The last few days, I've been seeing all over TikTok people making a chicken bacon Alfredo pizza. And I'm like, that looks pretty good. But my thinking was, hey, what about, just hear me out now. Everybody loves chicken bacon subs, like the chicken bacon ranch subs. So why not make a chicken bacon ranch pizza, but add pineapple? What? So that's what we're gonna do today. It's been a while since I've cooked with ranch. So it's been a while since I cooked with ranch. The last time I actually cooked with ranch, I didn't know you couldn't bake ranch in the oven for a while. And it turned out god awful. I did. Now there's two options for this. I went ahead, I brined this chicken yesterday in a salt water bath. Let it set for about 12 to 15 hours. And then it's been marinating since this morning. So that chicken's going to be right. You can get like a rotisserie chicken and just shred it, and it will be just as good if that's how you want to go. We're going to use our deep dish pan. Just get some of our cornmeal out, and we want to go ahead and get this dough into shape. I want to put that in there. There you go. Edge. This is gonna rise. It's gonna be nice. Either way. Dough laid out. What we're gonna do is we're just gonna try to get it in the corners a little bit more. Now that it's finally setting a little bit. We're gonna pop it in the oven for maybe 10 minutes just to let it get stable. Because I'm not sure exactly how. Sissy, we have a whole other block over there. So let him do this one. You can do the other one, okay? Okay? You were just... Good old crispy stuff. Got my bacon on a dish and throw it in the oven. Get it crispy. Market side pineapple. Sponsored by Walmart. Not really. Mm-hmm. Years ago, when me and Jerry first had our own house, our very first house we moved into, I made a chicken bacon ranch pasta casserole. And I had some people over. They bit into it, and everybody was super nice. It was like, oh, this is good. This is good. And then I learned that it wasn't because I bit into it, and I was like, I don't know what y'all are eating. This is trash. Everybody's been trying to be nice. So, all right, let's cheesify this. Now our pineapple. Pineapple's good in a lot of things. Mongolian food. Mongolian food is like my favorite with pineapple. Pizza's like the next best thing. Crispy bacon. Mm-hmm. That bacon. Look at that. That's actually some pretty good looking bacon right there. Looks fantastic. Into our oven. Our oven's at 425 already. We're gonna slide it in. We're just gonna let that crust rise a little bit more. Get that cheese melted. All right, we fresh out the oven. Time to give this a whirl. Cheese, pineapple. It's hot. Jerry, pizza. Look how good it looks.
I don't like pineapple. It's really good.
The reason I asked her is she likes ranch. I'm not the biggest ranch fan. So I'd rather a ranch lover endure and let you know how it is.